Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. Today we're going to see how you can try NiftyHMS admin demo for free. So we are just going to see how you need to type niftyhms.com in your browser as a URL. Once you land on niftyhms.com, you will see the website header menu, and then you need to browse down to footer where you will see the pricing plan link. Click on pricing plan link. There you will see the click here for 7 days free trial. So you click on that free demo access button, and it will ask you to provide some details, your email, your name, mobile number, country. It basically collects some details that so that the demo can be set up, personalized demo can be set up for you. So it will ask you country details, then your specialization, number of providers or number of doctors you have in your health premise, health facility. And if you are using any existing healthcare software, you can mention that as well. Or if you have specific healthcare software needs, your EMR needs, you can also describe that here. Maybe WhatsApp web booking is one date, so you can write it down. Once you click on submit button, it will show you some details on how you can log into the admin demo. So there will be site link, there will be doctor user login, then patient login. You can also check out the documentation link. So this will help you understand how NiftyHMS works before you make your purchase decision. Now always remember, the NiftyHMS comes up with a free 7 days trial. So any plan that you purchase, it always comes up with 7 days free trial. So now let's just click on the login link, enter user and password. So we land on dashboard page where you will see the patient status, vaccination, all the details of the healthcare facility, your appointments, your medicine details, your prescriptions, and any events, notices, or anything that is happening in the system. You will see that on your dashboard. Also you have the queue management model over here. Thanks for watching our video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.